Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your account is closed so you won't be able to continue. So guys, if your account is closed and you want to unlock it, then I'll show you how can you do that. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page. So you can also see here we had to close your account because of activity that goes against our terms of service. You can't access most feature of the app, but you will still be able to withdraw your money plus sell any store. So guys, if you are getting this error, then I'll show you how can you fix it. First of all, you have to close this page. So basically it's happened guys if you have violated any terms of service or cash app. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the cash app. So from here guys, what you need to do, if you have any other account, just simply have to log in that account there. Okay guys, so once you have logged in your account there guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to tap on your profile, then scroll it down a bit, then tap on sports section. So from here you have to wait some seconds, and from here you have to tap on account and settings option, and you can easily see here can't access old account option. Tap on that, scroll it down a bit, tap on chat section. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply contact with them. So just simply have to contact with the cash app support team and assure them that you will not make these type of mistakes again. If you have done that guys, just simply sorry to them and tell them that you will not make this type of mistake again. So tell them that your account is very important to you and you want to use that account, and hopefully they will help you, and hopefully you can use your old account, or you can access your old account on other device, or you can also log in your account on the current device, and hopefully your account will be back to you. So that's pretty much for today video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.